Hey Ross, how you doing? Good to see you. So look folks, we're going to find out from a real expert on how to take care of your teeth.
Expert? Me?
Absolutely. Well, let's go.
Okay, we're looking after Dave here. He's here in the surgery, seeking my advice about how to simply look after his mouth and his teeth. Now, the first thing he should do, of course, is to brush his teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes, and that's roughly the time it takes for the ref to award a penalty, the penalty to be taken, and play to get going again. 2 minutes? Not very long. Now, the manufacturers of toothpaste want you to use a lot, but you don't need that. Just enough to cover the bristles. That'll do a good job. Even if you have to renew it halfway through, that's fine. But don't swamp yourself with foam. That's not a good idea at all. But make a very good job that you're cleaning not only your teeth, but the gums, and get them really fresh. And if you really want to do a brilliant job, use dental floss once a day, and that'll be great. Okay, rule number 2 is always have an annual checkup, once a year or sooner if you feel you need, but go along and get your dentist to check everything in your mouth, not just your teeth, but your gums and your mouth in general, to see if there's anything changing or happening that you might not be aware of, and this often happens, but a very important rule, number 2. Now, if you want to save money so you can go to those rugby matches, have a checkup once a year, and that'll save having to repair the damage that's been done with a terrible mishap. You don't want that. So save money, once a year have a checkup. Okay, rule number 3, the final rule, you only have 3 to remember, is if something feels different, always get it checked out. It doesn't have to cause pain. It could be just a fracture, it could be a lump, or it could be something area that bleeds for 3 days in a row a little bit. Might be just a little bit, but it's a danger sign. If you leave it, it'll go away, but it'll come back far worse. So right at the beginning, when something feels different or looks different, get it checked out by a dentist straight away.
See folks, a check is cheap, and it's a darn sight cheaper than getting a hole fixed. So get a regular check with your dentist and clean your teeth on a daily basis. That's this week's health tip. See you next week, and thanks very much to Dr. Ross and Sonia, who's a future movie star.